place. I'm not good and I haven't played for so I'm good at doubles. Hopefully we can get a win. Oh, I can't play Sky Wars in a while. Just go playing insane. I'm not good at Sky Wars. I don't have any kits apart from the original one. Come on. Oh, stuff this tree. Oh, telly. Oh, bug it. Don't know. 2, 3, 1. Whoa. I'm staying. Nearly actually died there. It's a close call. Oh, gee. No, I got killed. That sucks. It's like rubbish. I suck at this damn game. I'm so damn rusty, like you're scuffed. Boom, 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 bee, 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 bee. Nice. Oh yes, get in there. Quick sniper. Oh god. Let's get in. Oh, why did I do that? That song? I need some blocks. Stairs thing. Not bad start. Stay block. Whoa. Someone trying to get me. Then. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna stop playing that. One more game. Play. Fine. 2 more games. I'll play PvP Classic. Then I'll play Bridge. Then that'll be the video. Boom, boom. Done and dusted. Boom. Bam, boom. Where is it? Is it even on here? Just got. Oh, yeah, maybe I'll be. Oh, let's play Sumo Juice. Sumo Juice, the best game in Hypixel. Best game. Who's this? Best game. Oh look, it's fake cheater. Oh, I suck. See, I suck. Oh, I suck. Straight fam. strife him, 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 strife him. Oh. Alright. Yeah. GG. Good game. You say that because you're cool. Okay. Okay. Let's play some classic troll. I'm got really bad. I'm so rusty. Probably gonna lose. Barely ever win these duels. Whoa. Oh, he's got to die. Oh yeah. That's unfair. Okay. Gonna play a bridge duel. Then that's the end of this great video. Kinda sad. I haven't won anything. Bridge duel. Hey, hello. Skeppy. Whoa, this guy's good. Oh, clutch it, come on. Yes. Whoa, that's quite good. Where is he? What kind of dude is this? Come on, I got this. No, I haven't got. No! Ah! I could have got that against this cool guy. Oh, come on, clutch the thing. Yeah, eased up some. Yes. GG, good play, good game. I think that's it for today's video.